SMartY is a digital solution for water and energy consumption management. It is able to be seamlessly installed in legacy mooring pillars, giving them the ability to monitor the daily utility consumption of each berth vessel. The identification of the problem came directly from the industry, namely the marine administrators. The cost to replace legacy pillars with new smart ones is high. A plug-and-play solution that transforms legacy pillars into smart ones with a lower investment was requested by various marine administrators. SMartY's state-of-the-art technologies enable seamless transformation of marine infrastructures. Utilizing edge and cloud computing with the Internet of Things, SMartY offers automated water and electricity consumption management electronic services. More specifically, metering devices are plugged into legacy pillars, enabling cost-effective real-time consumption monitoring, instant notifications, data analytics, and consolidated billing services. The solution offers smartness to a legacy pillar in 1/3 of the price needed to replace the pillar with a smart one. The Smart for All program helped the two SMEs strengthen their collaboration and adjust their technological expertise to offer a mature solution with significant market potential. The pilot installation at SaMMY IoT enabled direct feedback from key stakeholders and led to the fine-tuning of the solution. The Smart for All technical and business coaching was very insightful, leading the project to distinctions such as the 2022 Greek IoT Awards Gold Award and interest from Amazon Web Services for a collaboration with SMartY. These important results boost our vision to provide a valuable service to enhance the Mediterranean touristic product.